Many believe that you must remove eggs from the fridge to reach room temperature before cooking for better results. However, contrary to popular belief, eggs can be successfully used straight from the fridge without compromising taste or texture. In fact, certain recipes like poached or boiled eggs have improved outcomes when using cold eggs, as the whites set more rapidly. This quick setting doesn't affect baking either, because chilled eggs slightly impact baking time without altering the final product. So next time you cook, feel free to use those eggs straight from the fridge and focus on technique rather than temperature. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments, and let us know which myths you'd like uncovered next.